third-party validations for inspection companies. You can scream all you want from the rooftops about how great your home inspection company is. But if no one knows you, no one will listen to what you have to say. And to fix that, you can simply borrow trust from other people or leverage an international organization of residential and commercial property inspectors, INTERNACHI, as a trusted third party. When other people talk positively about your company, or a third-party certification body like INTERNACHI awards you a certificate or certification, it can be an instant credibility booster. Third-party approval speaks volumes and resonates with potential clients deciding whether or not to hire you. The value of third-party certification from INTERNACHI is substantial. The bottom line is that people want to be sure you are trained, certified, and qualified to do what they're expecting you to do: inspect homes and buildings, and do them very well, and take care of your clients. And for a new inspector, third-party certification is essential to attain. For the veteran, experienced inspector, this is a great way to reinforce your company's brand, authority, and credibility. INTERNACHI provides its members with more than 60 types of inspector certification programs offered through the only nationally accredited home inspector college at internachi.edu. Get a validating certification that people can trust from INTERNACHI by visiting nachi.org/certification.